What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be breaking down the E-mini futures contract today. We're going to be looking at what occurred throughout the day. I didn't trade much. I only took 2 trades and made small on the day as I was just kind of exhausted. Hadn't been getting much. I have not been getting much sleep at night, which coming into the next day can lead you to make mistakes. And today I didn't want that to be the case for me, as I've had a pretty good week so far, even though we've been kind of in a balance, been chopping back and forth. And just want to make sure that, whenever you're not in the best mental state, where you can perform at your highest level, you need to step back, take some rest. And that's what I did today. Did I miss out on a move? Kind of. Do I have FOMO about it, or did I hop in whenever I seen that we were moving up higher and just buy wherever? No. I had good trades. They worked out well. I didn't make a lot, but I did make money on the day. I'm not going to go over them as they were later in the day, but did participate in this, but did not capitalize like I should have. However, overall, good day, good trend day, good volume on the day, large amount of volume on the day, as we got through some pretty visual areas. We got above the previous day's high after opening up inside value, chopping back and forth a little bit before taking out the initial balance, rotating up higher, taking out that daily high, creating set of single prints back to back, and then getting up to our balance high at the time. Once we got up to our balance high, we found a little bit of resistance, ate into our single prints from this trend day, and then continued to grind up higher. We go out with a double distribution, B's high to A's low, and then F's low to M's high as the upper distribution. And I'm going to mark those here real quick for you guys. But overall, good day. For those that did participate on the long side, if they participated on the short side, they more than likely got absolutely smoked, as anybody that was short selling was getting stopped out consistently and constantly. That's why it helps to have a group of professional traders behind your back. I do recommend visiting Paul Asmar's room, stopping by there, or stopping by his YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below of that. And if you don't enjoy that, if you want to look at somebody else who has market profile knowledge, go into JJ, also known as VWAP Trader on Twitter. I'll have a link in the description below to his channel as well. If you ever do stop in there, just holler out my name, let them know you heard it from me, and I send them your way. All right, so we got our low day here, low day, and then we have our set of single prints where they start here at 22.25, or they fill there, I should say. Single prints fill here 3:16.23. We'll mark that. Boom, boom, boom. And then what are we doing whenever we look to see if we either fill this area whenever we come back to it, kind of like on these upside single prints, we look to fill those, or do they become resistance and we hold them, right? That's what we're looking for whenever we pull into those areas. Low here is 41.25. That is where the single prints will start. 3:16.23. And then we have another small set here. And then the upper distribution starts at F's low. We got, what's that high? 54. 54. Single prints fill. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Look at that. All right, and then you have another where they start here at 58 even. They like the even numbers. The algorithms like the even numbers. All right, single prints start. Boom, bada bing. And then we have today's high of 39.99. Look at that. We stopped right above, or right below, I should say, the 4,000 level. I'm going to solidify that. That's where single prints start now. They start now at 39.99. And then it is our high of day today at the 16th, 23. And is K an afternoon pullback low? I'm not going to say it is. It's too late in the day and too close to the day's high for an afternoon pullback low. So upper distribution is M's range or M's high to F's low. You want to see us open up as a buyer either inside this or above it and continue to grind up higher as we've come out of balance to the upside now. We're one time framing up on the daily now. However, if you open up inside and rotate lower, you take out this set of single prints, watch out because this next one could fill and you could end up back inside of this lower distribution. For the upside, you want to see us take out this daily high, fill this set of single prints, fill this next set of single prints from 4,007, get above the 4,000 level, 4,007 to 4,019.25 where that fills, and then get up to this afternoon rally high of 40.35 and then continue to grind away at this trend day down. However, on the downside, sellers, you want to see us protect here. You want to see us maybe chop around inside the upper distribution, not find acceptance, and then roll over, fill the set of single prints from 39.58 to 39.54 where they fill, and then get into the next set at 39.41.25 and where they fill at 39.22.25. Next destination after that is 38.95 low of day. You get there, your next stop 38.88.50. Now, interestingly enough, over the past several days, we have had really good volume, really good ranges, a lot of consolidation on this day as we had a 10 wide point of control, pulled back near it, never got to it. Normally, we do touch those as they act as magnets, but could this have been long-term money stepping into the market, buying below the 200-day moving average on the SPY? And you can see that here. Let me bring that up. You can see accumulation happening here below this 200-day moving average. If I were to go to the daily here, you can see that we consolidated below the 200-day moving average, attempting to find acceptance below it, and we didn't as we popped above that and our balance high today. So interesting. Could this have been long-term buyers stepping into the market in times where uncertainty is at its highest at the moment, right? So could be. But let's go into our daily time frame and look at what's happening. Actually, we haven't looked at the monthly in a while. Let's look at our monthly, look at our weekly, and then get into our daily. Monthly still in a 4-month balance. We got near our 4-month balance low. Didn't quite take it out. Just consolidating inside this range. We want to find acceptance above that 41.41 level. If we do get back above the 4,000, find acceptance above our 200, etc. We do that. We break out of this 4-month balance high. We have our extreme monthly balance high of 43.2750. And then, for the opposite side, if we do take out 37.8850, continue to rotate lower, you'll test 35.02 level, 3,500 level, our extreme monthly balance low. I do expect us for a good portion of this year, honestly, to maybe chop inside of our extreme monthly balance range, right? Just continue to chop around inside this range because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. We're not sure what the Fed wants to do. We have bank crisis going on. Next thing you know, we're going to have housing markets going down, and then we're going to have credit loan defaults coming into the market as well. Not to get all political, but those things are a possibility. Weekly. We're one time framing down, but in a week since, as last week was an outside week down, and we took out the previous week's low. But I'm going to say maybe we have a down to balance type of moment, right? We took out that balance low, got below the trend line here, couldn't find acceptance, and now we're rotating back up. Do we get back up to the this high if we get above the 4,000 level at 4082.25 and potentially have another outside week where this time it's to the upside? Possible, but with one trading day left, I don't think that's going to be the case, as we have ex dividend tonight for the SPY and then quad witching tomorrow. Now let's look at our daily time frame. So you can see here on the daily, we were chopping back and forth in a balance, trying to find acceptance below the 200-day moving average. We break above it. We get above the daily balance high, test our 20-day moving average, which was right there, and blew through it. Now we need to see if we can continue to move this market one time frame up and back test our 50-day moving average up here at 4026.39. Once again, great volume today, great range. Let's look at SPY here. SPY did, how much did they do today? SPY did 143 million. That is a lot. The previous day, 172 mil. So a lot of volume. You can see above average here these last few days. As you know, we grinded down pretty good here. Short covering. Is this just short covering a rally, or is long-term buyers stepping into the market kind of like they did here where we rotated up? Are we accumulating here before we make another leg up? That is the question. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.